Hello friends! Today we are going to draw a very beautiful and easy landscape painting with oil pastels. So are you ready? Welcome to REKHANYAS. Friends, I hope you are ready with your painting materials. So let's start our journey. Now you can see above this baseline I am going to draw my hut, and you can see it is a very simple hut. And now we are going to draw a window here, and this is the door. Okay, now I will erase this unnecessary line. Okay, now we will add a tree in this area, and we will draw the tree a little bit bigger. We will add more branches to it when we will color this tree. Right now we are just drawing the main trunk of the tree. Time to draw grasses. Now I am drawing the bushes. In this area, I will draw the leaves. And now, to make the composition more interesting, let's draw a few steps here. And with that, our drawing is ready. Friends, if your drawing is not finished yet, you can pause here and can complete your drawing. Okay, now we will start our coloring from the sky. This is also a part of the sky, so we will color here also. You can see we will move our hand very fast, but remember we have to use the single directional lines only. Okay, the sky coloring is done. Now we will bleed the sky blue color in these areas also. This will create an even tone throughout our painting. That is the reason why we are bleeding this color. Now we will put yellow color on the tree, and we will bleed this yellow color also. You can see I am drawing the grasses as per its shape. Time to color the hut. For the roof, we are using yellow ochre color, and we will use a red color for the walls. Now we are mixing orange color with the red color here. It is a yellowish orange. Now we are putting direct yellow color above this color. Here also we will put red color. Friends, you know we are showing this area as in shadow, so we will put a darker tone in this area. Time to work on some small detailing. Now at this stage we will define the steps. Now we are adding red color here. These are the flowers on the tree. And we will blend the rest of the part with green color. Here we are coloring the trunk of the tree. Very carefully we are blending the light and shade part of the tree trunk. As I told you before, we will add some more branches now, directly with the color. Now we are adding the green color. Till now we are using the sap green color. It is a little bit darker in shade. After some time we will add a fresh green color as a mid-tone. You can see now I am using a fresh green color as my mid-tone. Time to color the bushes. Very carefully we have to color this area. You can see in some areas I am blending with the yellow color. Time to color the foreground grasses. You can see I am using the direction of the grasses. You must have seen that whenever I am using one particular color in a particular area, I am bleeding the same color throughout the painting whenever I am feeling that it is needed. Overall, it will give a smooth and even output. It will look beautiful. Friends, can you see? I am using the navy blue color instead of the green color. And as we have already applied yellow in the base, that's why it is giving the illusion of green color. Even for the grasses also, you can see I am using navy blue color, but it is looking like dark green color. Now we are defining the shadow. This area is in shadow. Here I am creating the shadow of the tree trunk on the wall. Time to add few more detailing. These are the flowers. You can see how I am creating the small petals of the flowers. Don't you think we can repeat the flowers here also on the grasses? Time to redefine the sky, and I think we are very close to the finishing line. And with that, our beautiful and easy landscape painting with oil pastel has been completed. Friends, I hope you have enjoyed the process of this drawing, and you can also give it a try. Please write down your experience drawing with this video in the comment box. And if you have anything in your mind you want me to draw, please write it down for me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe the channel for my future videos, and thank you so much for watching.